extra small color Pantone. Waistline guys, 26, bust is 34B. Malapit na ito mag-34A. Soon, 34A na to. Palit na palit. Bilis naman. Guys, ang fabric dito is premium Korean IPY. So from the name itself guys, it's a premium. So my favorite color Pantone. This is peach pearl. So kung morena kayo, I suggest mag-peach pink kayo. Okay, go for light shades. Kasi kapag maputi na ganito, putla na po.
Yes.
Kaya mas bagay sa amin yung mga dark shades like Pantone, ganun. Ito bagay sa lahat. Dusty blue, maputi, morena, or fair skin. Cream guys, maganda si cream. Okay, this is Mestiza brown. This is dark choco brown, NUDE, taupe. Other shades guys, we have red, cherry red guys, maroon, plum. Kung maputi po kayo, go for color plum guys, okay? So we have old rose. This one is navy blue, midnight blue. So kita yung difference ha? Navy blue.